In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents in Notion. A table of contents is a great way to make long pages easier to navigate, especially if you have lots of sections and headings. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clickable list that lets you jump straight to any part of your Notion page. First, open the Notion page where you want to add your table of contents. This can be any page: a documentation hub, a personal wiki, meeting notes, or a project plan. Make sure you're in edit mode, and place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. A common spot is right under the page title or just below an introductory paragraph, so people see it as soon as they open the page. Next, you're going to use Notion's /command. With your cursor in place, start typing your table of contents. As you type, Notion will show a list of blocks you can insert. Keep typing until you see the Table of Contents option appear in that drop-down. Once you see it, click on Table of Contents from the menu. As soon as you click it, Notion will automatically insert a Table of Contents block on your page. This block scans your page for headings and creates a list of links that match the structure of your content. If your page already has headings, you should instantly see them appear as entries in the Table of Contents. Each item is clickable, so you can jump directly to that section. Now, for the Table of Contents to be really useful, your page needs to be organized with headings. To add or adjust those, click into the part of your page where you want a section title and type your heading. Notion will show you options like Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3. Choose the heading level that fits the structure you want. For main sections, use a higher level heading, and for subsections, choose a smaller heading level. After you add or update your headings, the Table of Contents will refresh automatically. You don't need to do anything else. Notion keeps it in sync as you write, rename or rearrange your headings. That's all you need to add a functional table of contents in Notion. Open your page, insert the table of contents block with the /command, and structure your content using headings so everything appears clearly and logically.